In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Chrome your default browser. By the end, any web link you click on your Windows computer will open in Chrome automatically, saving you time and keeping your browsing experience consistent. Start by opening the Start menu. That's the Windows icon at the bottom of your screen, usually centered on Windows 11 or on the bottom left in older layouts. Click it once to bring up the menu. From there, open Settings. You can click the gear icon if it's visible, or simply type Settings and select it from the results. This takes you to the main place where Windows manages your system preferences. Inside Settings, choose Apps. This section controls how Windows handles installed applications and what opens by default. Once you're in Apps, select Default Apps. This is where you tell Windows which program should open different file types and links. Scroll through the list until you find Google Chrome and click it. You're now on Chrome's default app page, which shows all the file types and link types that can be associated with Chrome. What we care about for web browsing are the web link protocols, labeled HTTP and HTTPS. In simple terms, HTTP and HTTPS are the two types of web addresses that links use across the internet. Setting both to Chrome ensures virtually every link you click opens there. Locate HTTP in the list and click it. A prompt will appear asking which app you want to use. Choose Google Chrome, then click Set as Default. If you see a confirmation message, accept it. That tells Windows to send standard web links straight to Chrome. Now repeat the same action for HTTPS. Click HTTPS, pick Google Chrome, and select Set as Default. Doing both is important. HTTP covers many traditional links, while HTTPS covers secure links, which most modern websites use. Setting both makes your default comprehensive and reliable. That's the essential setup. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If your screen looks a little different, you're likely on a different Windows build, but the path, Start, Settings, Apps, Default Apps, then Google Chrome, remains the same. If you don't see Chrome on the list, make sure it's installed and updated, then return to this page. And if you're prompted to confirm changes, go ahead and allow them. Once HTTP and HTTPS are set to Google Chrome, you're all set. Links from emails, documents, and other apps should now open directly in Chrome, giving you a consistent, streamlined browsing experience every time.